Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 4. How are you all? This is your science period and today we are going to do objectives of unit 9, force and machines. But before starting our work, first recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma, oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Now beta, open your books. Students, we are doing working of unit 9, force and machines. Now students, open your books, page number 88. In today's class, we are going to do objectives part of unit 9, okay? Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. 1. Which of the following is not an example of a simple machine? अब इनमें से कौन सी ऐसी example है जो simple machine नहीं है? Number A, juicer. B, stapler. C, nail clipper. Fourth one is scissors. जी बेटा. So students, juicer is not a simple machine. Juicer is compound machine. Number 2, a light bulb is an example of a lever, screw, wedge, wheel and axle. Light bulb किसी example है? जी, screw की example है. Now come to third one. A fork is an example of a किसी example है fork? जी, wedge की example है. Now come to number 4th. Toilet paper on a roller is an example of a किसी example है? G, wheel and axle. Now come to number 5. The metal cap of a bottle can be opened by using a bottle opener. In this case, the bottle opener works as a. जी बेटा, bottle opener work करेगा as a G, lever. Circle option number C. Now come to number 6. A flagpole is an example of a. Flagpole किसकी example है? पढ़ा था ना lesson में? जी, पुले की example है. Circle option number C. Now come to fill in the blanks. Number 1. A device or tool used to make the work easier and faster is called a machine. Have you written? Number 2. A dash machine has few or no moving parts. A simple machine. Number 3. A dash machine is made up of 2 or more simple machines combined together. कौन सी machine होती है वो? जी, compound machine. Number 4. A simple machine made up of a bar or rod which rests and turn on a fixed point is called a. क्या कहते हैं simple machine को? जी, lever. Number 5. A simple machine used to cut or split things apart is called a wedge. Now come to number 6. A simple machine that is used to fasten or hold materials together is called a dash. क्या कहते हैं simple machine को? जी, screw. Number 7. A fork is an example of a simple machine called a dash. Wedge. Fork wedge की example है ना? Now come to number 8. A simple machine with a slanting surface used to move heavy loads up or down is called a inclined plane. Now come to page number 89. Number 9. A simple machine consisting of a rope or string wound around a grooved wheel is called a pulley. Number 10. The rod that goes through the wheel and helps the wheel to move is called an axle. जी बेटा, उस rod को axle कहते हैं ना जो wheel में से pass होती है. Okay, now come to question number 3. Match the definition in column A with correct term in column B. यहाँ पे आपको definitions given है column A में, column B में correct terms given है. Matching नहीं कीजिएगा आप लोग, नीचे आंसर की बना लीजिए. Okay बेटा. Number 1. Two inclined planes joined back to back used to cut or split things apart. क्या कहते हैं simple machine को? जी, wedge. Now come to number 2. A rigid bar or rod that rests and moves on a support and is used to move a heavy load easily is called lever. Now come to third one. A rope or string wound around a groove wheel used to move objects up, down or across. क्या कहते हैं ऐसी simple machine को? जी, pulley. Now come to number 4. A slanting surface used for moving objects from lower to higher or higher to lower surfaces easily. क्या कहते हैं उस slanting surface को? जी, inclined plane. Now come to number 5. An inclined plane wrapped around a cylindrical pole that is used to fasten or hold things together. क्या कहते हैं ऐसी सिंपल मशीन को? जी, स्क्रू। ऑप्शन नंबर सी। सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू मेक आंसर की लाइक दिस. ओके बेटा. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लेबल द लोड, एफर्ट एंड फल्क्रम ऑन द इलस्ट्रेशन बिलो. यहाँ पे आपको जो डायग्राम गिवन है आपने यहाँ लेबल करना है लोड, एफर्ट एंड फल्क्रम को. ओके बेटा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम बुक पेज नंबर 86. ओके, हियर इज द डायग्राम. अब आप इस डायग्राम की हेल्प से इस डायग्राम को कंप्लीट कर लेंगे बाय लेबलिंग. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so you have to complete working of page number 88 and 89. Take care. Allah Hafiz.